navigate to Google, then search for Emails Checker. Find and click on the site emails-checker.net. Once you're on the site, click the Sign Up tab. Choose Sign in with Google. When the process completes, you'll see the dashboard of the site. First, we'll explore the single validation feature. Click on Single Validation from the menu. Enter a random email address to check. Click on Validate Email. You'll see the result. Email address is undeliverable. Now let's validate a valid email address. Click on Check again. This time the result shows email address is deliverable. Next, let's see how to perform bulk validation. For bulk validation, click on Upload File. Browse and select your file. Then click on Upload. To begin verification, click on Start Verification. While uploading the file, ensure it is in CSV format and the column containing the email addresses is labeled Email. Our verification is complete. Now, let's view the results. Out of the 49 emails we uploaded, 22 are deliverable, 21 are invalid, 1 is disposable, the remaining 5 are accept all addresses. To download the results, click on Download List. Select all, then click Download. In the downloaded report, you can clearly see which emails are deliverable, undeliverable, or risky, along with the specific reason for each. Thank you. That's all for the demo.